Oh my God. 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 I'm so scared. Okay. Y'all, I'm gonna do another one. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh, Chad, it's gonna go everywhere. Okay, safety on. Safety first. Chad, I'm gonna do like 20 rubber bands. I can literally hear it cutting it, chat. I can hear it. I hope I'm not blocking it. Ugh. Okay, chat. Oh! Oh my God! Chat, yo, chat! Stop saying yeah! Okay, bro, it's shaking, chat. Oh my God. Chat, there's bubbles! Chat, there's some shit coming out the side, chat. Chat, it's creaming. Chat, there's bubbles on the side. Chat, oh my God, there's bubbles coming out of it. There's bubbles coming out of it, chat. Do y'all see those bubbles? Chat, y'all see those bubbles? Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, chat, I'm gonna put you guys like, I'm gonna put you guys on like a stool. I'm gonna put you guys like right over here. Okay, I'm gonna put you guys on this chair. Dude, there's bubbles coming out. It's over, chat. Okay, I'm gonna grab this chair and I'm gonna put it right here so that we can get a nice angle of this thing when it explodes. Okay, chat. How does this look, chat? Is this a good angle? Let me enhance the image. Okay. Chat, this is science. Do not try this at home. I am a trained professional. Oh my God, y'all, it's gone. Chad, it's happening! Chad, it's happening! She's gonna blow. Don't worry, I have safety goggles. So if she explodes, it won't hurt that bad. Don't worry, Chad, I'm a professional. Chad, more. Chad, I'm gonna play the outro song. Chad, I'm gonna try to time it. Y'all, there's liquid coming out of it. There's liquid! There is liquid! There's liquid. Okay, Chad, I'm gonna play the outro song right now. I'm gonna play it. There's liquid coming out of it. There's liquid! Here, in the... Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, prepare to be amazed. I, Steak1, the Magnificent, am going to explode this watermelon on my toilet. Much like a night after enjoying some Taco Bell, this thing is going to explode my toilet. Alright, we gotta do more. Safety first! Chat! The liquid is exerting! Okay, I'm gonna pause the song. I think the beat dropped already. Okay, I'm gonna pause the song. Oh my God, Chad, this is crazy. Y'all, this is crazy. Chad, this is crazy. This is crazy! Oh my God. Y'all, this is totally it. Chat, she's going down. She's going down, chat. Come on, Michael. Oh my God, chat, look at that leakage. She has broke. Chat, the water has broke. We're going to enhance this image, chat, for you. We're going to enhance. Can you see this water, chat? There is water leaking down the sides of her glorious bottom half. There is water. It's coming out, chat. It's coming out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Let's zoom back out and continue. Okay, Chad, do you want it like that or do you want it closer? I'll put it like that, okay. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, Tina, or what is it? Chad, what's her name? Michael? Yo, Michael, fat ass bitch! You're going to explode! When I count down from 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Chat, how is she still not exploded yet? Okay, chat. I'm now going to add 6 rubber bands simultaneously. Now, this is incredibly dangerous. Do not attempt this at home. I am trained professional. As you can see by my shirt, I went to college. So do not attempt this, Chad. I'm professional. I'm a scientific man. I'm a scientist. Okay. Chad, there's liquid on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. There is liquid on the bottom of this melon. The melon is juicing, Chad. Okay, we're going to put 6 of them on. Okay, 3, 2, get on that melon. Okay, Chad, this melon is juiced. I'm telling y'all right now, this melon is juiced up. Oh, y'all. Oh my God. Oh my God. Do you guys see this right now? Everybody in chat spam, I was here. Yo, stop farting. You're making me look like a butthead. Okay. Oh my God. Okay, Chad. I'm gonna put 3 more on there and see what happens. Okay. W's in the chat. I was here in the chat. Everybody sub to me. We're trying to get to 1 million. If you guys sub to me, I'll order a dunk tank for my next trick. And I'll let you guys dunk me, you little dunkers. Okay. All right. Yo, chat, I'm gonna go look at the chat right now, see what y'all are thinking. Chat, give me your thoughts on this melon. Is this melon gonna blow? Chat, give me your melon thoughts. Give me some chat. Chat, give me your melon thoughts. Chat, give me your melon thoughts. Do y'all think this melon is gonna blow? Give me some melon thoughts. Okay, chat. I'm gonna do a little zoom in for y'all, just so you can see. We're gonna enhance the image. Look at that. Do you want chat? Should I go up close for you? Yeah, I'm gonna go up close. It's like, y'all, it is literally like leaking out the bottom right there. Can you see that? Look at all the bubbles, chat. So that's how you know when it's really close. Also, if you look at the sides, it is like indented. Oh my God, chat, I'm nervous. Dude, chat, I'm so nervous. Should I put more on? It's over. It's like, it's done. Okay, screw it. I'm putting more on. Screw it. Chat! Screw it! Okay, y'all sub to me right now. Please, chat. Please subscribe. Please. Please. Please, please, please subscribe. Please, please, please. Oh my God. Chat, I'm too scared to go in there. I'm too scared to go in there. I'm too scared to go back in there. Oh my God. It's making noises, chat. It's making noises! Oh my God. Chat, oh my God. 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 Okay, I'm going back in. Chat, I'm going back in. I'm going back. Okay. Safety first. Do not try this at home, kids. Do not attempt this. It's very dangerous. And most importantly, do not tell my mom. Please don't tell her, chat. Please don't. Oh my God. Chat, the juices are very savory. I don't know if y'all can see this, but I'm gonna just keep putting them on really fast. Chat, we're gonna go real fast. It's bound to happen any moment now. I'm gonna start doing 3 at a time. 3 at a time. Okay, 3 at a time, chat. 3 at a time. 3 at a time. Okay, chat. I have like 1, 2, 3. I have like 6 right here, chat. I got 6. I'm gonna start putting 6 on every time. So like, y'all, once we finish this pile, if it's not exploded, that would be crazy. There is a total. After we finish this pile, there will be 600 rubber bands on this thing. Y'all, I think I'm gonna play the outro song. I think this is it. I'll do like, oh my god. Oh my god. Holy crap, chat. Like, dude. Chat, I can hear it. Okay. I'm gonna put like 10 more on all at once. I think it's about to blow. This is it right here. Slowly. 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 Okay, Chad, I just added a considerable amount of force to this watermelon. I just added a considerable force. Oh my god. Oh my... It's dripping down. It's dripping now. There's no more bubbles, Chad. It's dripping. It's dripping! Y'all, look at this. I'm going to give y'all an up-close and personal look. This bad boy is dripping. Can you see it? It's kind of hard to see with the white bowl. But Chad, look at that side right there. Oh my god. Okay. Y'all, I'm going to play the outro. Or wait, y'all, can you hear this? Listen. Turn your sound all the way up. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's coming out. The liquid is exerting from the nipple. Okay. Shh. Quiet. No grip. Okay. Okay. All right. Oh my god. Oh my god. Chat, I'm playing it. I'm doing the song. 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 I'm doing it. Yeah, here it goes. All right. Boys, here it is, chat. Safety first. Safety goggles, check! I'm gonna put 4 more on. Oh my god, chat, no way. Y'all, no way. It's coming out the top. I saw drops on the top. I'm gonna show you, chat. Chat, I'm a scientist. Do not try this at home. I graduated. Sorry, there was a little bit of a lag spike there. My apologies, chat. Okay, y'all, spam pizza if you could hear me. Everybody say I was here. Oh my God, y'all, look at this. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, oh my God, chat. No way. Y'all, look at the top. Chat, it's coming out the top now. It's got to be super close. It didn't do that last time. It is literally, it's coming out the top. Chat, it's coming out. It's coming out the top. Y'all, this is, it's got to be close. It's got to be close. Oh my God. Oh my sweet Jesus, chat. Oh my sweet Jesus. All right, we're going back in. Come on. Come on, baby. Come on, you sweet little melon. Oh, chat, there's a pool of juice on this. Look, listen, chat, listen. Listen to the splash. Ow! 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 It got in my cuts! Oh, ow! Ow, chat, it got in my cuts. Ow! 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 Ow, 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 ow. Oh, it got in my, ow, it got in my cuts. Chat, I've been doing this rubber band for so long. There's cuts on my finger, chat. Ow, owie. It's okay. We got this. Chat, there's some lag. Appears there's some lag. It's okay, not today. We're gonna explode this, chat. We're gonna do this once. And for skibbity. Let's go. Okay. It's like, y'all, my fingers are kind of in pain right now. But I don't care. I just want to see this thing explode. I'm going to just do a whole bunch right now. Oh my God. I'll try to move my head out the way. Yo, chat, it's got to be close, right? Like, chat, it's got to be close, right? Like, it's got to be close. It's got to be close. Okay, I'm going to just keep putting them on. Chat, we're almost to the bottom of this pile. That will make 600 if we make it to the bottom. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Sorry for the lag spikes, chat. My apologies. Okay. Y'all, I'm gonna just keep putting them on. Oh! These rubber bands on and run for my goddamn life. Oh. Wait, chat, you can't hear? Yo, chat, you can hear me, right? Okay, y'all can hear me. Here we go, boys. This has gotta be it! This has gotta be it! This has to be the moment, chat. This has to be it. There's no way we go through 2 bags of rubber bands. 600 total. Y'all, please sub to me. Nope. Y'all, any moment now. Literally any moment it's going to. Any moment. Guys, do you see the bottom of the bowl? It's literally bulging like a butt cheek. Chat, it's round. It's literally round. It's literally round, chat. It's literally round. Oh my God, dude. Chat, I'm so scared right now. Like, y'all, it's gonna just like explode in my face. Like, chat, is it sudden or am I gonna hear it crack? Like, chat, is it sudden or am I gonna hear it crack? Is it sudden, chat, or do I hear it crack first? Is it like super sudden? Oh my God, y'all. It's gotta be. It's gotta be like right now. It's coming out the top. All the juices are. It's coming out the top. Okay. Chat, listen to me! Before I put 6 more on, please subscribe to me. Please, 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 please. I will be streaming every single day this summer, except for next week because I'm going to VidCon. But chat, I stream every single day. Come to more of my streams. You won't regret it. I do stuff like this every day. Okay. Chat, my fingers are starting to really, really hurt. Oh my God, I'm gonna just keep going, chat. I'm gonna just keep going. Oh. Can you hear that? Chat, I can hear it. No, listen to this, listen. Listen, chat. Listen, everybody listen. Chat, listen. Oh my God. Chat. Can you hear that? Look at that indent. Oh my God. Chat, it's coming out the top. It's dripping out the top into this pool of sugared watermelon juice. All right, let's keep going. Oh my God. Guys, I'm legitimately scared right now. Like, I feel like it's going to explode in my face. Oh my God. Okay, let's keep going. We're almost there. Okay, time for the real safety goggles. Chat, should I throw stuff at it? Chad, this melon's gonna blow. I really hope that it doesn't hurt me when I explode it. Okay, safety first, ladies and gentlemen. As you all know, I'm a professional. We have now reached the end. There are 600 rubber bands on this thing. Now, I don't know math, but I feel like that's gotta make it close to exploding. There's juices all over. The juices are dripping on everything, causing some problems. My fingers are bleeding from how many I put. I don't know if you guys can see that. My fingers are bleeding. This is it. This is joke. This is Joe Biden. This is Donald Trump. Chat. If this watermelon explodes right now, I'm gay! Alright, we're good. Whew. Close one, chat. Close one. Okay, chat. If this watermelon explodes right now, I'm gay. Why is it moving? Chat, why is it moving? Almost like I can hear the insides. Oh my God. Oh, it's so wet. Chad, I think we need to play the outro song. Well, I'm gonna put 10 on. Chad, I'm putting 10 on. Whoa! We got an egg bomb! Oh my God! No! King Josiah with the $300. Everybody say thank you, King. Thank you, King. You really are a king. This next one's for you, King. Chat, oh my God. All right. Here we go. This is the one. Right here. Right now. Right here. Right now. This melon is soaking wet. And it's about to blow. Let's do this, chat. Let's do this. Oh shoot, it's lagging a little bit. I'm sorry, chat. It should stop. It should stop. Okay, we're good, we're good. All right, boys. Here we go. That's 10. 10. Y'all, it's really, the juices are coming out. The juices are coming out. The juices are coming out. You gotta like spank the rubber bands on it so that it really cracks. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, chat. Oh my God. How has it still not popped? Dude! Chat. Oh my God. All right, I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm going back. I'm going back in. Oh my God. Chat, my fingers are literally starting to bleed. Y'all, I am making my fingers bleed for you, chat. Smash like right now. You better, chat, you bet your ass you better subscribe to me. I'm literally bleeding for you right now, chat. I am bleeding for you. My little Sigmas. Okay. All right. Y'all, it should be any moment. There's water coming out the top, which means there's lots of pressure on the inside. Lots and lots of pressure. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put all the rubber bands on the middle of it to maximize the effect of the pressure. I am a scientist. I do science all the time. Do not try this at home. You will probably get hurt or something. Oh! Okay. All right, Chad. Okay. Okay. Oh my God. Should I hit it with something? Y'all, it's like, oh my God. We have 600 rubber bands on. Why is it moving? I can hear it. Chat, I hear the bands. I can hear the elasticity, chat. Okay, we might have to go get another bag of rubber bands. I don't know how this thing is still holding. It's like, y'all, oh my God. Chat, somebody watch a video of like what happens when you, when it's getting really close. Like, does it make noises or like what? Okay. 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 Oh my God. All right, all right, all right. Okay. Chat, I'm going to just speed run all these other rubber bands really fast. Chat, it's spraying me. It's spraying me. Chat, it doesn't want me to put them on. Keeps spraying me, chat. It's spraying me with its liquids. Oh. Chat, its liquids are really gross. Keeps spraying me with them. Oh my God! Oh my God! Chat, I hear it. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. I swear to God. I swear to God. I'm not. Oh my God, it's happening. It's happening. It's happening. I'm gonna do 5 more, chat, and it should be good. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's so close. Oh my God. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, the last 3. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Chat, I'm going to zoom in for you guys so you can see how crazy this is. Look at the indents on this thing. It is going to blow at any moment. She is going to exert herself all over the walls of this bathroom. Chat, its name is Michael. I need everybody in the chat to spam rest in peace, Michael. I need you all to spam rest in peace, Michael, right now. Everybody, spam rest in peace, Michael. Oh my God. Yo. There's no way. There's no way it survives all of these. There's no way it survives every single one of these rubber bands. There's no way. Like, there's literally no way. Like, chat. Oh my! Y'all, it's dripping off the sides. Chat, oh my, y'all, look at this. Look at this right now. Give my goggles, chat. Look at it. Oh my God. Oh my God, chat. Look. Guys, it is dripping down the sides. It is like any second now, it will be destroyed. I swear to God. Like, can y'all see it okay right there? Can y'all see it okay? Okay, there we go. All right. Okay. All right, chat. Everybody, I was here in the chat. I witnessed the death of this watermelon. I was here. I witnessed. I was there the day that Michael died. I was there the day that Michael fell. I was there the day that Michael perished. It's getting really slippery, chat. These juices are getting everywhere. Okay. Let's do I'm going to do, here's 4. I'm going to just put 4 on right now. I'm not going to make this lame like the last one. I will not stop until this thing explodes, which will be definitely very soon because, oh my God, look at it. Like, look at it. What the skibbity? Okay, here is 4 more rubber bands. 4 more rubber bands. Let's put them on. We are almost at a total of 600 rubber bands, ladies and gentlemen. I've almost done this entire pack. Okay, this side's kind of weak. We gotta increase the centrifugal force on this side. Ow! It almost just rolled over and exploded into my wiener. Oh, shit. Oh, crap. Oh! Oh, yeah. Okay. Oh, fuck. Oh, my God. 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 This is it. This is it. It's close. Oh my God. Everybody say I was here. This is it. This is it, Chad. I can feel it. Oh my God, it's liquidating all over me. Chad, it's too slippery to put more on. It's like literally like Chad, this melon is slippery, Chad. Oh my, Chad, the melon is so slippery. Oh my God. We got $50. Yo, Official King. Yo, shout out Official King. Thank you so much for the 50. Sorry that I just saw that. Chat, I'm too scared to go back in there, y'all. Chat, I'm too scared, chat. Chat, I'm too scared. Oh my God, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Chat. Okay. I have an idea. This is a very scientific idea, chat. I'm going to get my shoes, chat. It's a very good idea. Chat, I have an idea. Oh my God, it's dripping everywhere. Okay, chat. I'm going to take my shoes here. I'm going to slap each shoe on the side as hard as I can so that it explodes. Ready, chat? See if this works. This is for science. Okay, 3, 2. Dang, Chad, this melon tough. Let's go a little harder. God damn, Chad, this melon tough. Chad, why is this melon so hard? What the hell, Chad? All right, guess we got to put more liquid on it. Chad, this melon is so hard. Like, it's so wet. Like, every time I try to put more rubber bands on, they just slip off because of all the liquid that's coming out the top. Okay. Okay. It should be good now. I am putting so... Chad, this... We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 rubber bands left until we hit the 600 rubber band mark. Holy crap. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. Chat. We have 2 more after this before we hit the 600 mark. Do you want me to play the outro song? I looked online and it says about 600 is how many you need to break it. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Check! Ow! 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 Oh. Uh-oh. Chad, it looks like a crime scene. Oh. 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 Oh.
smoke and deal we found on Skyscanner and flights, hotel, and a rental car.